Hear me now? Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Let's see. Woohoo! What's up, peeps? Hey, good morning. 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 What's up, peeps? Can you hear me now? Hell, where the hell's my talk at? Hold on, I don't even have my chat set up. Let's see something here. Boop. There we go. Good morning, Jacob. You're number one. Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Jacob. Matter of fact, here, maybe we can flip this over to here. Can you guys? Let's see. We'll move this over. Oh, shit. On TikTok. Hold on. So you guys on TikTok can now see what's happening on thing. That's funny. All right, TikTokers. Good morning, Jacob. Blue Tide Acrylics. He's the one that makes all our awards. He does a fantastic job. You should visit his shop. I'll pull it up one day, not this morning. I'm running behind. Good morning, Sog. I don't know if you guys can see right here when I'm pulling this through. Let's see. Good morning, Justin. What's up, Justin? Morning, Ryan. What's up, Ryan? What's up, Mike Glowinski, my friend of 40 years plus. What's up, Glow? Kim, the candle envy lady. Oh, my goodness. Without her, we wouldn't have all of our call-outs. She's amazing, and thank her very much. Please, everyone should. What's up, Persistent? What's up, Aussie Trader? What's up, Andrew Frejo? Morning, Teach. Morning, fam. Blessed day up. Every breath we have, thank God for. Yep, absolutely. What's up, peeps? Let's see. What do we got? Mr. Gold. What's up, Mr. Gold? Where you been? I swear, he was there every day, and then he missed for like 2 months. Hope you've been okay, sir. Steven. What's up, Steven? Persistent again. Cheryl Stafford. Cheryl. I don't know Cheryl. Good morning, Cheryl. Welcome to the channel. I'm not familiar with your name anyways. Good morning, Kirk. What's up, D-Man? You guys can hear me. Okay, cool. What's up, Fidge? Please hit the like button. Sure, absolutely. What's up, GB? Sounds awesome. Well, I don't know why or how, but thank God. Good morning, Jonathan Dean. It says 0. That's funny. I don't know. Keep trying. Thank you, Kim, for trying. What's up, Rayshawn? What's up, Rayshawn Warren? And Dustin Groom. Dustin, that sounds new. I don't remember Dustin. What's up, John Parker? How you liking your 2 little toys? You got them working yet, John? You and Matt? What's up, Menike and Company? What's up, Techman? What's up, Eric? What's up, fellas? What's up, Alex? What's up, Ken Louder? What's up with the perfect sound? Glad you get it figured out. No, I'm just home now. We were on vacation for 3 weeks. What's up, Guy Burger? The Uno reverse chart is pure insanity. Yeah, isn't it though? And let's see. We got to say good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Aussie Trader on TikTok. Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? Super Z. Thank Glow for being on both. What's up, Little Joe? Lazarus. Neil. Techman, Nadal, Ryan, The Griffey, Annie Apple, user 1570, MZ Tazzy. Welcome, MZ Tazzy. What's up, Jerry, Brian Hill, Adam. What's up, Marley Mar, Walt, and Mrs. T. Mill. What's up, peeps? You're watching what's watching on the other, and here's what you guys are actually seeing. So if you want to head over to YouTube, you can actually see me sometimes. Not a lot. See my cool merch. Yeah, baby. I usually wear my hat flipped, though. I usually have my hat like this, but you guys can't see my, okay, I look like shit. See it this way? There we go. Oh, my God. Never mind. Well, at any rate, so we'll put it back like that. And I do have hair. Some people think I'm bald. No, I'm not bald. I have a shit ton of hair. What's up, J-Flow? What's up, Barani? What's up, Cassie? Good morning, Cassie. You and Keith have done it again. Yes, Keith takes all my weird ways of trading and turns it into code. It's amazing. Nothing but good things. That's awesome. What's up, Larry Cooper? People are going to love it. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, I think they will too. Good morning, wishing, praying. Welcome. Good morning, Lock on TikTok. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube. Oh, speaking of which, oh, geez, I got to do this over here. Good morning, Lachey. Cracking me up this morning. Hold on, I got to get over to here, and I got to get over to here. I got to go, nope, wrong thing. I got to go over to here, and I got to find the safety trade. And I'm the only one live. If you guys are ever having trouble finding the safety trade on TikTok, just type it in. It'll go. Okay, and there's Precious. Did they do it smooth? Wait. All right, let's go over to here. Let's go back over to there. Let's put this thing up and start tapping, baby. Start tapping. What do I mean? You'll see. Doop, 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 doop. All right, peeps. What do we got going on? Look at that hat. Look at that shirt, baby. Be proud of your safety trade merch. All right. Good morning, Matt Parker. Do you like the little toys you got, Matt? Do you like it? I'm taking notes and I'll send you before I leave Vegas. Nice. Going to Vegas. We're kind of talking to some realtors right now about getting a place in Vegas. You're probably going to rent for the first year. What's up, Damien? How do I get the free update? You be patient and wait, and you have to have the sniper rifle. If you don't have the rifle, you don't get the free update. Yes, Uno reversal is amazing. See the trades coming all from one indicator game. I know, isn't it a game changer? Yep. I like the new format there, Coach. Yes, sir. Oh, it's not going to stay. I'm going back to here. I'm just showing you guys this right now. That's all. And we're going to flip back over to here, and we're going to get down to business. Uno reversal, baby. All right. Nice. Oh, thank goodness. Little Precious. Little Precious, Little Precious, Little Precious. Little Precious, Little Precious, Little Precious. Yay, thank goodness. All right, back in we go. If we do get together, we can do it in Vegas then. I don't know about that. Me and Bree are so not public. I mean, some of you may or may not know this, but I don't go, like when I'm showing myself on these lives, I haven't done that. Well, I did it once the beginning of this year. No, beginning of last year, January. And I said, I don't like it. I went off. I hate showing myself. I said, fuck it. Let's do it. But meeting people, I don't know about that. The only person I've met off this whole group of thousands of people is Keith. And that's the only person I've ever met is Keith. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Yeah, meet and greet. We talk about a meet and greet in Vegas. I know, we just never did it. All right. Here we go now. All right, there is a buy stop. Permanent buys on all indices. Whenever you do a sell, do it at your own risk. We do buys here.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Strictly speaking, US 30. What weekly? Oh, I never fixed the game mode thing. Hold on a second. Fuck. Hold on. Hold your horses. Here we go. Oh, I just want to hear this go off. Hold on a second. We're going to place in a, hold on. Weekly buy stop, all six indices, weekly buy stop. But for now, let's go over to here. This looks like a buy too, but I just want to hear the alarm go off. So I'm going to move this here. Don't trade these. These are just testing alarms. I want to see how loud this sounds. Let me go over to NAS too. Sell to the 30-second blue line, NAS. I'll call the trades in just a second here. I just want to get these so that I can get an alert when these go off. These aren't actual. Don't try to copy what I'm showing you right here. These are just so I can hear the alert. Aha. Now, can you guys hear that? Yes or no? What's up, History and Wildlife? What's up, Amy Lou? Woo, baby. Put you at 100. All right, fixed gaming mode. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear that one. All right. What's up, Julius? Ace Bolt says yes. Thank you, Ace Bolt. Thank you, Don't Cast Stones. Thank you, Nadal. Thank you, Lazarus. Thank you, Annie Apple. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Lock Lock. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, good. What's up, Jose? Jose. What's up, Jose? What's up here, Piggy? Blessings to you. I just do not have money to pay monthly as soon as it's much money now. It's just too much money. I hear you, Damien. I apologize. Yeah, it would cost you basically $250 for the sniper and $50 for the rifle. It would cost you $300 a month. I apologize. I'm trying to keep the prices as low as I can, trust me. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! All right, let's make some call-outs super quick. Let's go over and use our new fun toys. We can clearly see some sell stops are forming. We need to go over to NAS right now. We need to go down to the, nope. That's my bad. We need to go over here and go over there. 1 second. 1 second buy, 5 second buy. 1 second buy. 1 second to the blue line, buy stop NAS. Let me go over to SPX. Buy stop to the SPX 1 second blue line. It's going to go up here to the 1 second blue line. Let me see if they're going to the 5 seconds. It's too fast. You guys can't do it. 5 second buy stop to the blue line SPX. 5 second to the blue line NAS. This is a real call right here. This is an actual demo call.
Demo trade only.
That is your take profit. You're going to see NAS has changed to green right here. This is interesting. Let me see ES1. Yeah, ES1, 5 second buy stop to the blue line. Now, let me go up. What's the rest doing? Are we any kind of sells here? Hold on. Sell, 15 second sell. 15 second sell to the thing. Hold on. 30 second, 15 second sell to the blue line. 15 second sell. 10 second sell. 15. I'm not going to call the sells. If I was going to play a sell, I would do SPX. But I'm not calling it. I'm only calling the buys. I don't give two fucks about sells. US 30 is a fucking nice one. All right, I'll call a sell on US 30. I wouldn't take any sells. That's up to you to do what you're going to do. This is a 10 second sell to the blue line. Ooh, that's nice. I think we hit profit. I think we hit the 5 second take profit. Hold on. Yep, 5 second take profit hit. Woo, we're already back in the saddle making money, baby. We're already back in the saddle making money. Yep. Oh, shoot fire. Where'd it go? Hold on. Whoa. Hold your horses. There we go. Damn, that was scary. Listen to the money talk, baby. Nice. Yeah, so that's a real call. That see the 5 second change to green right here in just a few seconds right there. Doop. Yep. Nice. You've got a flash goal. I don't care about that shit. Who's that one? NAS again? Yep, there it is. NAS is over the top. 5 second buy stop to the blue line for NAS is in the money. See, they all just turned green before you. Told you. Again, I don't know who else is out here trading. They won't show their face. There it is to the blue line. Beep, bop, boop. There it is. There's the blue line. There it is. It's changing right there. It's going to come back over and do it again. You're going to see this green arrow turn. It's like having the look. There it goes again. Told you. Buy the damn fucking system. Buy it now. There you go. Look at it go. And then this is your, oh, nope, this is my Uno reverse. Uno reverse. Oh, we can get into this one here. Here we go. What you're looking at is they're doing the 5 seconds, for instance, on this one. We're doing all the 5 seconds over the blue line, over the blue line, over the blue line. We can go to the 10 seconds over the blue line. We can go to the 15 seconds over the blue line, and so on. So what you're witnessing, okay, what you're seeing on these, tracking all these different symbols, all these different time frames, are put in this tiny little itty bitty living space. This is where it's at. This is where your what you see is right here. All of this, all these charts, all these 5 symbols, all the blue lines on all the time periods are here and here. Oh, I don't think Parker Brothers didn't get this one. They'll have to get it later. But yeah, it's showing, and then when all these are flipping, which they just did, and then you can see the buy stops over here on the buy stops coming up. Yep, all perfection. Easy peasy. It literally tells you what's happening as it goes. We have a buy stop 1 minute over here. So buy stop 1 minute on US 30. Let's go back over to here. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what this thing's saying. Yes, we do have a buy stop. 3 minute. It's a 3 minute buy stop. Yep, we do. And you always take the higher time frame buy stop. So I'm going to go all the way up here to the 40 minute, and I'm going to see what's going on. Yep. 45 minute buy stop. And that's what you're going to be looking at. And it's actually a 45 minute weekly buy stop. And I told you all where this was going. I told you, oh, look at that. We already hit all that? Fuck. Told you. Told you. Told you US 30. Oh, that's NAS. That's why. Yep. Look at US 30. US 30, to get to where the take profit is, let me be clear on this. I think I said 3,000. I think I was off on that by about 2,000 pips. You have, no, I'm right. You have about 1,500 to 2,000. You have 3,000 ultimately. You have 1,500 more pips going up on US 30. 1,500 more pips going up on US 30. That means YM1 is going to go up, NAS is going to go up, NQ1, SPX1, and ES1. Now remember, I went ahead, listen to me, and told you these were weekly buy stops going to new record highs months ago when all the tariff bullshit news was right here saying it was going to go down. How many people remember this? How many people remember me telling you these were weekly buy stops? And I'll go back and pull up the fucking videos if you want me to. How many people here, watch, we'll do this. Show of hands, how many people here remember me actually saying that these were weekly buy stops going to record levels? And they are. And you can already see that the orange line has been hit right there. Look at it. The orange line has been hit right there on NAS. Take profit 1 on the yellow, take profit 2 on the orange, all hit. I told you it would hit that. It did hit that 50 times, 100 times I told you. Look at SPX, not quite there. It's going to go up and hit its orange line. ES1 will go up and hit its orange line. NQ1 has already hit its orange line. YM1 will go up and hit its orange line. I mean, I'm just telling you. US 30 has the most up potential out of all of these, and US 30 has about 1,500 to 3,000 pips to go. Anybody remember? Look at all the, I do. Yep. What's up, George Strait? Then Kevin, what do different colored check marks mean? It means that it's checking this right here. This is being checked. The sniper is being checked on 1 second all the way through whatever time period you put it on. But it's being checked all the way through basically 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And it's checking all of them. So when you see it flashing, it's letting you know, well, it's not letting you know shit. It's just letting you know it's thinking about all these things and checking them. What it's doing, it's saying, no, it's not good on the 1 second. Yes, it's good on the 5 second. No, it's not good on the thing. This is basically what's going through my mind, and Keith just put it on there so you guys can see this is actually moving. It's literally checking, is the 3 minute good against the 1 minute, the 30 second, 15 second? Is it good against the 10 second, 5 second, 1 second? Is the 1 second good against the 5 second? Is the 3? So it's checking your sniper on all the time frames, the highest one you have, all the way down over and over and over and over again, every second in this case on the 1 second, every 5 second on the 5 second, every 10. So it's just flipping. So when you see these things flipping around, it's just reading the sniper over and over and over and again. Why? Because the sniper is the most important indicator ever made in the history of mankind. That's how I got this system to be so simple for you guys. It's unbelievable. Unbelievably easy. I do. Thank you guys for all speaking up. What's up, Justin? What's up, Orlando Waters? Blessed morning. Everything is fantastic with us, yes. What broker are you using for your live trading account? I use several brokers. I have brokers through everywhere. Speaking of which, hold on a second. Now you mentioned that. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, look at that shit go. Look. This is through Hugo's Way. I believe this is my Hugo's Way account. This is my US 30. Oh my gosh. If this thing goes up another 1,500 pips, holy shit. If this goes up 3,000 pips, oh my God. You wouldn't even know. Oh my God. Thank you, God. Any rate, gold up $527 an ounce. I'm going to be holding this probably for an entire year. This is the same account I've traded in since January. No, I have not blown through several accounts. This is the same fucking account I've traded in since January. Please throw up the yes word or a 7 if you guys understand. This is the exact same account I've been showing you since January, well, actually since December, but since January 13, this trade, I started with, I think it was like $30 or minus 30, whatever it was. And here we go up to 52,000. This is a runner. And I let this run. The stop loss isn't a stop loss, it's a take profit. It's in profit. No matter what happens, even if this drops down 3 billion pips, I still make money. So this is my, you were asking which one do I use? I use that one. I use Hugo's Way. I use Nadex, I use Forex.com, I use Thinkorswim, I use Tradeovite. I don't use Tradeovite too much. I use Eagle FX, which is some bullshit thing now. Still use them, but whatever. I use Pepperstone. I have live accounts with all those. Oh my God. Then I have live accounts with Webull, Robinhood, Public. What's the one with thing in it? I have live accounts everywhere. There's no reason not to have live accounts everywhere. Trade everywhere. Fucking make everywhere. And I don't use copy traders. I don't do any of that shit. No. Okay. So I hope I answered your question. Yeah, serious coding. You don't know the half of it. You know, Keith has to code because see the way my brain thinks is when I whip through these things, some of you are old enough and been around long enough, you'll remember. I would go through like you're seeing right here, whatever on whatever one. Let's go to US. Go to Bitcoin. I'll call it Bitcoin for you guys. Bitcoin. So we're going to go to Bitcoin 1 second. I would go to Bitcoin 1 second is above or below the blue line. Nothing. 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute. Nope. Buy stop. There's a sell on the 10 minute. And in my mind, I remember everything. So I knew it was a 10-minute sell. I'm not calling it. It's a 45-minute buy. It's a 45-minute buy. Bitcoin, 45-minute buy. And I whipped through them really fast. Some of you may or may not remember this. When I'm whipping through them super fast, I'm remembering all the previous ones. So when I come up here to the weekly, I go, oh, Bitcoin's a weekly buy stop, right? Which it is. Look how fast the computer can't even keep up with me, right? So it's a weekly buy stop. Oh, that was US 30. Hold on, let's go over here. Still is. And see, it's already completed everything. Bitcoin has already completed everything I told you it was going to do. I told you it was going to 105,000. How many people here remember me telling you Bitcoin was going to go to 105,000? Do you really want me to pull up some fucking facts and show you that I said it was going to go? Here it is. There it is. Bitcoin, take profit 90. Well, I said 83, then 91, then 95, then 100, then 105. This is in writing. This is immovable. This is in writing. Every trade I ever call is right here. They're always right. 99.9% of the time. 110's next, then 120. Yes, I called this out. I called this out a long time ago. This is from 421. And I called it before then. As Bitcoin was dumping and getting crushed, I told you, let me be the voice of reason. Let me be the voice of solid when you're just solid on your answers. I told you it was going up to 105. And where did Bitcoin fucking go to? Right? Where did it go to? It went right to 105. How did I know that? It had to fill the space in right here. It did. And now it had to go to the orange line. It did. And now it's going to go above its previous high, which it is right now. That's it. So I called those out for you yet again. I called out US 30 correctly for the last forever. YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, gold for the last 3 years since I've been live. Bitcoin since March the 8th, 2024, when it was at 26,500, I called it. Then XRP, called XRP. You want to go to XRP? Here's your next move. You have time for XRP. Oh, it went. It hit. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. All hit. All hit. Oh, shit. I got to get over to fucking open. All right. Let's play market open and see if we can. Let's go over here and see what's going on. Let's go over to here. Nothing I can do. 5 second maybe. Yeah. SPX 5 second buy stop. US 30 5 second buy stop. But if we're going to play open, my God, I'm not even ready. I'm not trading open. I have no time. I'm not going to do NAS. I'm going to wait right here. Nope, not doing NAS. Not doing NAS. I'm going to look for US 30 to be a buy stop right here on the 5 second blue line at open. I'll hold right here. There you go. US 30 crossing. US 30 cross. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at the pullback. Look at the pull. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Come on. You're in the money on your US 30 buys. NAS buy, NAS buy, NAS buy. Let it go down further. This is fun. This is a blast, right? Oh, they're giving us free money. Put your buy stops in up here. Put your buy stops up here and wait for NAS SPX. NAS SPX. Buy stop. Follow it. Follow it. We're on 5 seconds. This is gorgeous. You're in the money on US 30. Huge money on US 30. Market hasn't even opened yet. Huge money. You're up 8 pips on US 30. This is gorgeous. Let me go up a little bit to 10 second. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. I ain't got time for this shit. Let's see. Follow SPX and NAS down. Follow them down. My fucking computer can't even pull them in, really. Yep, 105,000. Amy's correct. She knew that. All right, I can't even pull it in. What the flying fuck? All right, US 30, sell, sell, sell. NAS, SPS, let me go over here. Let me go over to NAS. Let's see if we can get this down to the 10 second blue line before market open. No, buy stop only. Buy stop YM. Buy stop YM. Let me see NAS. What the fuck's wrong with this thing? NAS, 15 second, 10 second, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Nope. 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 Buy stop 3 minute. Buy stop 3 minute. If market opens in 4 minutes, right when it opens, it's a buy. Can't call you sell. Just follow this down. These are all buy stops. I'm not calling a sell on anything this morning. Sorry, not doing it. Just take buys. If it keeps going down, keep following it fucking down and make more fucking money. Follow it down. We have 3 minutes to market open. I'm going to stay a little longer after market opens. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer after market opens. So I'm not going to go right away. Here we go. Look at this. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop NAS 3 minute. Buy stop NAS NQ1 3 minute. Buy stop NAS NQ1 SPX 3 minute. Buy stop. I should trade this. God, I want to trade this. God, do I want to trade this? ES1. Buy stop if I can get to it. 3 minute buy stop ES1. If it dips further, keep following it down. Look at it to the 10 second blue line. Follow it down. This is awesome. 10 second, 3 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 15 second, 15 second buy. Nope, not calling any sells. I don't care if it goes down to the 30 minute blue line, which it might. I don't care. Just stay up here and wait, meaning follow it down. Move, rule number 7. Move your buy stop down as it moves down. All right, we're good. There you go. Now, let's go back because we pulled into this shit. Right? Woohoo! US 30 is already crossing. US 30 is already crossing. Look, look, look. This is gorgeous. You can close down your US 30 and take profit. NAS and them keep following it down. Keep following. This is they're giving away free money. Let it fall. Let it fall. Buy stop at open. All indices. Buy stop at. Let this fall down. 10 second has been crossed. 10 second has been crossed. This is fun. Oh my God. How much time? Do not Do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I'm calling buy stops on all indices. You guys trade however you want. If you want to do these sells to the 10-second, 15-second blue lines, feel free. Knock yourselves out. Be patient. Wait for it to flip around. If it doesn't flip around by 10:30 this morning, it will flip around by 2:30 this afternoon. Market open in less than a minute. Market open in a minute. Buy stop all indices. Just, you're in the money, by the way, if you took that buy in SPX and ES1. You can close that trade down. You don't need to stay in it. You go in and out of these trades super fast at market open, okay? Super fast. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Filio. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. There you go. Now, follow this US 30 down. This is fantastic. Let me see where. Oh, it takes forever. There you go. There you go. Market open, just a few seconds. I'm going to get in and out real quick. Be careful now. Be careful. Hold steady, hold steady. Oh, God, I can't even get these things to pull fucking in. Market open, market open. Let's stay right here on US 30. Stay right here on US 30. Market open, market open. Market open. Stay right here at US 30. In the money on US 30. You're in profit on US 30. Close down your trades. You're in profit on US 30. You can close that down. No need to keep it open. It is a buy stop weekly. You're in money on US 30 buy. Let me go over to NAS. I can't even get in the fucking NAS. NAS, you're in money on NAS. Yay! You're in money on NAS. You're in money on, oh my gosh. You're in money on everything. There you go. Thank you, guys. Close down your trades. There's no need to stay open. You're in money on NAS. You're in money on SPX. You're in money on everything. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. NQ1 in the money. ES1 in the money. US 30 in the money. Oh my gosh. You're in the money on everything. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. In the money on everything. Close down your trades. Yeah, baby. Woo! That is fun right there. That's how you do it. That's how you look at US 30. I told you. What the fuck did I say? What the fuck did I say? I said US fucking 30. There it is. Look at all that money. How many pips is that right there? Hold on. Look at that fucking money. Holy shit. You would have got in somewhere around. You're up 50, 60 pips on a fucking open. Traded perfectly. And I told you YM the same thing. Told you. There you go. Wow. And my computer can't show fucking shit. Look at it. This is fucking awesome. Yep. Perfection. All the money you needed. 50, 60 pips. Yay. Head over. Right over to here and buy the system. SafetyTrade.com. Boom. I swear I never do this. I have to do better with this. SafetyTrade.com. 575. Look at that shit. All the money you need to make. Right there. 50, 60 pips on US 30 alone on the open. Jeez. Fucking incredible. The system's incredible. Buy stop again. Buy stop again. Oh, shit. Let's move this back up. There we go. Look at how slow everything is. Son of a fuck. Good thing my MT4 is moving faster. This is a 5-second buy stop forming for US 30. I can't call it for you, fucking fuck. But I can tell you this, that this is going to turn back to green. This is going to go above the yellow. There it is. See, it's going to go past the orange right here. Price action, this thing will turn to green. The pink is crossed. The blue will rise. I would say somewhere around there. Yeah, it's going to come soon. And then you're going to see this pink and blue rise and so on. And there you go. Kev strikes again. What's up, Crash? Nice. Heading to work. Nice. Did some of y'all catch some money on that open? Easy money. Does anybody have any questions before I go? The system is so easy. I'll be back on later today, Lord willing, in the afternoon. And then tomorrow morning, I'll be on bright and early, probably around 5 or 6 in the morning. And then you'll see me 5 or 6 in the morning. Then you'll see me open at 9 tomorrow. And then you'll see me in the afternoon. All right, TikTokers. God bless you all. That was a nice little easy open. Hope you had fun. All right. That was nice. YouTubers, Facebookers, Xers, any questions at all? Any questions at all? Alex, have a great day. John, have a great day. Crash, have a great day. All right. That was quick, but it was fun. That was nice. Did great with it. That was fucking awesome. Would love a lesson on following the price down on buy stops. Yeah. The lesson, just keep following. I mean, if you know that you're in a strong buy on the higher time frames, like you can see these, you just take your buys on the lower time frames. Meaning, i.e., if you knew, for instance, at one time this is a 45-minute buy stop on US, which it is, on US 30, then you can feel comfortable taking these 5 seconds when they push it down on the 5 second or 10 seconds way down. Just fucking follow it. Just go down, follow it. And they usually, what they do is they bounce it off the blue line. So if this was like to I forgot what this was, a 10 second or a 5 second, when they pushed it to, see, there it goes, told you, there's your, see it turned back to green, told you, the blue line rose up, told you, went past the previous orange and went past the previous high. That's what it's going to do on the weekly, by the way, so you're clear. The exact same thing's happening on the weekly right here. I think some of you see, it's the exact same thing. It's going to go past the yellow, it's going to go past the orange, it's going to go past the green, just like it did with Bitcoin. So what's happening on the 5 seconds happens on the weekly, dailies, exact same thing. Okay, I have to switch internets because this is fucking bullshit. It went to the yellow line, went to the orange line, it's going past the previous high. That's just what it does. See the pink cross the blue? This is exactly what just happened. This is the weekly Bitcoin, right? Weekly Bitcoin, you can see it. This is exactly what just happened on the US 35 second. Exactly, it's going to do it again. See? Pink and blue went up, and then it was a buy stop, and there it went up past the yellow, past the orange, and past the green. And how do you know when to take it and follow it down? Because if you know it's a weekly buy, or in this case, a 45-minute buy, you can trade any of these smaller time frames with the buy because you're going with the flow of the river. Now, exactly where, you just got to get good with it. That's all. All right. Nice. What fun is this? That was a blast. All right. Yeah, TradingView is sluggish as fuck. I thought it was just me. Crazy ass shit. All right, got to go, guys. Talk to y'all later. See y'all. That was fun. Wow, that was fun.